So I've been buying things from China again, from eBay, the Chinese sellers on eBay, getting photobombed, and you just totally block the view. What are you doing? Hey, don't get your nose on my lens. So I've got this box, it's come from China on eBay. It took about 3 weeks to get here, so I'll show you what's inside it. Any guesses? No? Right, let's just, right, any guesses now? The dog loves the unboxing stuff. So here it is, an MX helmet. MX means motocross, but it's for mountain biking too. It's quite lightweight. This was a bargain price. I think it was something like £22. That's British pounds. Got a design on it. The inside's padded. Really, it's a lightweight motorbike helmet. Well, it is MX, which is motocross. It's got this buckle here, what you press like that, what's like a quick release. That's a chin strap. Yeah, really good. And I suppose you want to see me with it on. So this is only a short video, just showing this helmet. So this is it on. It's a large fit. It's the largest one you can get. So yeah, it's really good. Don't move much. I've not got the chin straps on, but yeah, I'm chuffed with that. So why I've got this, because I've got a powerful scooter, a 1000-watt scooter coming, but also I've got the go-kart, the electric go-kart what I'm building. I've just got to finish the steering wheel off on it, and I wanted some proper head protection, so I didn't want to be falling off and smashing my teeth out or hurting my head. So for £22 this is really cheap. So that's it. I'll take some video now, close up of it, so you can have a proper look at it. But yeah, that's it. I'm well chuffed with that. Right. Right, nice tambourine in there in the background. Right, so thanks for watching. It's just been a short video. I'll put the link to these helmets in the description. If you want to buy one or you want to get one, we're doing them in child sizes. They're good for kids on BMXs and stuff and mountain bikes. Just good head protection really. Right, okay.